Good morning, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sabina. I'm from Poland, came to United States when I was 18 years old and currently live in Florida. I would like to share with you all my experiences regarding how to make Polish food. The first thing Grandma taught me how to make is Polish pierogi, and I will be putting a video on that, how to make traditional Polish pierogi. But today I would like to show you how to make a cheese spread for breakfast that I used to have when I was a little girl, and I still make it for my family. Yesterday I put a video together about how to make a sourdough bread, and it's my favorite, well, family's favorite. And the cheese spread goes well with it. So I hope you like it. For the cheese spread I need farmer's cheese, and the one I have I bought in Publix. Florida doesn't have all the stores other states have, but if you have a hard time finding farmer's cheese, you can check any international store, and I'm sure those international stores carry this cheese, farmer's cheese, because it is very popular in Europe. And what we need here is just 1 spoon of mayonnaise. That's Polish mayonnaise, but you can use any mayonnaise you like. I like to put a couple of those petite dill pickles in it, Greek plain yogurt, salt, pepper. This is a banana pepper that I have in my garden, and it's optional. I mean, you can skip it, you can add something else to it, do it the way you like it. So this is just basic, and then you can customize to your own liking. So here I have a celery stick that I cut up into small pieces, and another ingredient is fresh cucumber. I'm gonna do the same thing and cut it up into small pieces. And another ingredient is radish. Also the same small slices. So all of this will go into here, into that small bowl I have, so I can mix it up. And this is a wonderful tool, my best friend. 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt. So I'm gonna put it here, maybe 3. And then we just need 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. This is Polish mayonnaise, but any mayonnaise will work, whichever mayonnaise you like. And you know, with the plain yogurt, it's gonna give you a little bit of different flavor, which my husband is addicted to mayonnaise. And farmer's cheese in it, salt and pepper. And what I like to put in on the end is a bit of dill, fresh dill. I do have it in my garden, but right now with the weather being so hot in Florida, it's middle of summer. Oh, my poor vegetables are not doing so well. When I was on vacation in Florida, because I used to live in Chicago for 25 years, every time I came to Florida it was winter time. And I thought Florida is a great place, the climate and the beaches, and you know, just beautiful place. I want to live here. Well, I should have come during summertime. Some pepper, black pepper, some salt, and taste your food. Always taste your food so you know that you have enough of the things that you want to have. Salty, less salty. People with high blood pressure again use less salt, so I'm not gonna give measurements, it's just for your taste. The last thing, those small tiny dill pickles, and we are done. I'm gonna cut some of the sourdough bread and show you how I make my sandwiches for breakfast or snack. And this is what we were eating in Poland. Bread was the base of almost every breakfast. I would say 80% of time when we had breakfast, there were sandwiches with the sourdough bread. Sourdough bread is the closest bread that I remember comparing to here United States. So here we go, all ready. Just mix it, taste it, and then let's make sandwiches. Fresh dill on the end, and that's pretty much it. You have all the goody, healthy stuff in here, and it tastes really good. So here we have the sourdough bread that I made a video how to make, the most popular bread in Poland. The cheese spread, and I made a couple sandwiches with some egg, some ham, tomato, cucumber. You put it together however you want it and enjoy it. Breakfast is ready. That was traditional Polish breakfast that I used to have with my family. Buon appetit, everyone! Smacznego!